Title: The Role of 18-Wheeler Accident Attorneys in Dallas, Seeking Justice and Compensation. Introduction. Accidents involving 18-wheelers, also known as semi-trucks or big rigs, can be incredibly devastating and complex. When these massive vehicles collide with smaller vehicles on the road, the results are often catastrophic. In Dallas, like many other major metropolitan areas, these accidents can occur frequently, leaving victims in need of legal assistance to secure the compensation and justice they deserve. In this article, we will explore the crucial role of 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas and how they help victims navigate the legal complexities surrounding such accidents. Understanding 18-wheeler accidents. Dallas is a major transportation hub, with numerous highways and interstates crisscrossing the city. This, coupled with a bustling economy, leads to a significant presence of commercial trucks and 18-wheelers on the road. Unfortunately, this also increases the likelihood of accidents involving these massive vehicles. 18-wheeler accidents can occur due to a variety of reasons, including driver fatigue, mechanical failures, inadequate maintenance, distracted driving, and more. Due to their size and weight, these accidents often result in severe injuries and, in some tragic cases, fatalities. Victims of such accidents not only endure physical and emotional pain but also face financial burdens, including medical bills, lost wages, and property damage. The role of 18-wheeler accident attorneys. 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas play a crucial role in assisting victims to seek justice and compensation for their losses. Here are some of the ways they provide support. 1. Investigating the accident. One of the first steps in a case involving an 18-wheeler accident is conducting a thorough investigation. Attorneys work to collect evidence, such as accident reports, witness statements, and black box data from the truck, to establish liability and determine the cause of the accident. 2. Identifying responsible parties. 18-wheeler accidents can involve multiple parties, including the truck driver, the trucking company, and even the manufacturer of the truck or its components. Experienced attorneys help identify all liable parties to ensure that victims can pursue the maximum compensation available. 3. Navigating complex regulations. The trucking industry is heavily regulated by federal and state laws. Attorneys are well versed in these regulations and can use them to hold negligent parties accountable. This includes examining factors such as driver hours of service, load securement, and vehicle maintenance records. 4. Negotiating with insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies can be a daunting task. Attorneys negotiate on behalf of their clients to secure fair settlements for medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and pain and suffering. 5. Litigation and court representation. In cases where a fair settlement cannot be reached, 18-wheeler accident attorneys are prepared to take the matter to court. They use their legal expertise to build a strong case and advocate for their clients in the courtroom. 6. Ensuring victims' rights are protected. Victims may not be fully aware of their rights in the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident. Attorneys educate their clients about their legal rights and work to protect them throughout the legal process. Conclusion. 18-wheeler accidents in Dallas can have life-altering consequences for those involved. Seeking the services of experienced 18-wheeler accident attorneys is crucial to ensure that victims have the best chance of receiving the compensation and justice they deserve. These attorneys play a pivotal role in navigating the complex legal landscape surrounding such accidents, helping victims to rebuild their lives and move forward after a traumatic event. If you or a loved one have been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in Dallas, don't hesitate to seek legal representation to protect your rights and secure the compensation you need to recover. Title: Seeking Justice and Compensation, 18-Wheeler Accident Attorneys in Dallas. Introduction. Dallas, Texas is a bustling city with a robust transportation industry, making it a common hub for commercial trucking. While these large 18-wheelers play a crucial role in transporting goods across the nation, they can also pose significant risks on the road. Accidents involving these massive vehicles often lead to devastating consequences, leaving victims and their families in dire need of support. In such situations, 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas become essential advocates for those affected, ensuring justice and fair compensation. Understanding the risks. The sheer size and weight of 18-wheelers, when compared to smaller vehicles, make them inherently dangerous on the road. When an accident involving an 18-wheeler occurs, the consequences can be catastrophic, including severe injuries, fatalities, and extensive property damage. Several factors contribute to the heightened risks associated with commercial truck accidents. 1. Driver fatigue. Long hours on the road can lead to driver fatigue, impairing the trucker's ability to react quickly to changing road conditions. 2. Improper maintenance. Neglecting proper vehicle maintenance can result in brake failures, tire blowouts, and other mechanical issues that increase the likelihood of accidents. 3. Distracted driving. Like any other driver, truckers can become distracted by various factors, such as cell phones, GPS devices, or in-cab distractions. 4. Inexperienced or untrained drivers. Some trucking companies may hire inexperienced drivers or fail to provide adequate training, leading to unsafe practices. 5. Overloaded or improperly loaded cargo. Overloaded or poorly balanced cargo can lead to stability issues and accidents. 6. Adverse weather conditions. Dallas can experience severe weather, including heavy rain and fog, which can be especially treacherous for large trucks. Hiring an 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas. After an 18-wheeler accident, victims and their families often face mounting medical bills, property damage, and emotional trauma. Seeking legal representation is crucial to protect their rights and pursue the compensation they deserve. Here are some key reasons to hire an 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas. 1. Legal expertise. 18-wheeler accident attorneys have the knowledge and experience to navigate complex commercial truck accident cases. They are well versed in the unique laws and regulations that apply to the trucking industry. 2. Investigation. Attorneys can conduct thorough investigations to determine the cause of the accident, including driver negligence, vehicle defects, or other contributing factors. 3. Negotiation skills. Lawyers are skilled negotiators who can engage with insurance companies to secure fair settlements for their clients. They are also prepared to take cases to court if necessary. 4. Support and guidance. 18-wheeler accident attorneys provide invaluable support during a difficult time. They guide clients through the legal process, offering peace of mind and clarity. 5. Maximizing compensation. These attorneys work tirelessly to ensure that victims receive the compensation they need to cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. Conclusion. Accidents involving 18-wheelers in Dallas can be life-altering, leaving victims with physical, emotional, and financial burdens. However, hiring an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney can make a significant difference in achieving justice and securing fair compensation. These legal advocates have the expertise and determination to fight for their clients, ensuring they receive the support they need to move forward after a devastating accident. If you or a loved one has been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in Dallas, don't hesitate to seek the assistance of a skilled attorney who can be your voice in seeking justice. Title: Seeking Justice, 18-Wheeler Accident Attorneys in Dallas. Introduction. Dallas, Texas, is a bustling metropolis, known for its vibrant culture, thriving economy, and a network of highways that are constantly filled with commercial trucks, including 18-wheelers. While these trucks are essential for the transportation of goods, they can also pose significant risks on the road. Accidents involving 18-wheelers are all too common, and when they occur, the consequences can be devastating. If you or a loved one have been involved in an 18-wheeler accident in Dallas, seeking the services of experienced attorneys is essential to pursue justice and compensation. The complexity of 18-wheeler accident cases. 18-wheeler accidents differ significantly from regular car accidents due to their complexity. These cases often involve multiple parties, including the truck driver, the trucking company, and even the manufacturer of the truck or its parts. Understanding and navigating the legal intricacies of these cases require specialized knowledge and experience. This is where 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas come into play. What can an 18-wheeler accident attorney do for you? 1. Legal expertise. 18-wheeler accident attorneys have a deep understanding of the specific regulations and laws that govern the trucking industry. They can identify violations, negligence, and liability issues that might not be apparent to the average person. 2. Thorough investigation. Attorneys have the resources and expertise to conduct a comprehensive investigation of the accident. This includes gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and consulting accident reconstruction experts to determine liability. 3. Handling insurance companies. Dealing with insurance companies after an accident can be a daunting task. Experienced attorneys can manage negotiations and ensure you receive fair compensation for your injuries and damages. 4. Pursuing compensation. 18-wheeler accident attorneys are skilled in determining the full extent of your losses, including medical bills, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering. They will work tirelessly to secure the maximum compensation possible. 5. Litigation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, your attorney can take your case to court, representing your interests and fighting for your rights in front of a judge and jury. Choosing the right attorney. When selecting an 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas, it's important to consider a few key factors. 1. Experience. Look for attorneys with a track record of success in handling 18-wheeler accident cases. They should have a deep understanding of the specific challenges these cases present. 2. Reputation. Read reviews, ask for referrals, and assess the reputation of the attorney and their law firm in the legal community. 3. Communication. Effective communication is crucial. Choose an attorney who is responsive and keeps you informed throughout the legal process. 4. Fees. Discuss the fee structure up front to ensure you understand the cost of legal representation. Conclusion. Dealing with the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident can be overwhelming, but you don't have to navigate this complex legal terrain on your own. 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas are your advocates, fighting for your rights and working to secure the compensation you deserve. With their expertise, experience, and dedication, they can help you on the path to justice and recovery following a devastating accident involving an 18-wheeler in Dallas. Title: Navigating the Aftermath, 18-Wheeler Accident Attorneys in Dallas. Introduction. Dallas, Texas, known for its sprawling highways and bustling logistics industry, is no stranger to 18-wheeler accidents. These colossal commercial vehicles play a vital role in the local and national economy, transporting goods across the country. However, their sheer size and weight can lead to devastating accidents when things go awry. In the aftermath of such accidents, finding the right 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas can be crucial. In this article, we will explore the importance of 18-wheeler accident attorneys and how they can help you seek justice and compensation. Understanding 18-wheeler accidents. Accidents involving 18-wheelers are often catastrophic due to the size and weight of these vehicles. Factors such as driver fatigue, mechanical failures, distracted driving, and adverse weather conditions can contribute to these accidents. Victims of such accidents may suffer from severe injuries, property damage, and emotional trauma. The role of 18-wheeler accident attorneys. 1. Legal expertise. 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas specialize in personal injury and truck accident cases. They have an in-depth understanding of the laws and regulations that apply to commercial trucking, both at the state and federal levels. Their expertise is essential in navigating the complex legal landscape. 2. Investigation and evidence gathering. Establishing liability in 18-wheeler accidents can be challenging. Attorneys have the resources to conduct thorough investigations, which may include gathering evidence from accident scenes, examining truck maintenance records, and obtaining statements from witnesses. 3. Determining liability. Determining liability in 18-wheeler accidents can be complex. These cases may involve multiple parties, including the truck driver, trucking company, vehicle manufacturer, and maintenance providers. An experienced attorney can help identify all potentially liable parties and hold them accountable. 4. Negotiating with insurance companies. Trucking companies typically have extensive insurance coverage. Dealing with insurance companies can be a daunting task for accident victims. Attorneys negotiate on behalf of their clients to ensure they receive fair compensation for medical expenses, property damage, and other losses. 5. Litigation. In cases where a fair settlement cannot be reached, 18-wheeler accident attorneys are prepared to take the case to court. They have the litigation experience necessary to present a strong case before a judge and jury. Compensation for victims. Victims of 18-wheeler accidents may be entitled to various forms of compensation, including 1. Medical expenses, coverage for hospital bills, surgeries, rehabilitation, and ongoing medical care. 2. Property damage, reimbursement for vehicle repairs or replacement. 3. Lost wages, compensation for income lost due to injuries and recovery time. 4. Pain and suffering, damages for physical and emotional distress. 5. Wrongful death. In cases where a loved one has been killed in a truck accident, the family may pursue a wrongful death claim. Choosing the right attorney. When searching for an 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas, it's important to consider the following factors. 1. Experience. Look for attorneys with a proven track record in handling truck accident cases. 2. Resources. Confirm that the attorney or law firm has the necessary resources for a comprehensive investigation. 3. Reputation. Read client testimonials and reviews to gauge the attorney's reputation and commitment to client success. 4. Communication. Choose an attorney who communicates effectively and keeps you informed throughout the legal process. Conclusion. Navigating the aftermath of an 18-wheeler accident in Dallas can be a daunting experience, but the right attorney can make all the difference. These legal experts provide the knowledge and support necessary to pursue justice and fair compensation for accident victims. If you find yourself in such a situation, do not hesitate to seek the assistance of an experienced 18-wheeler accident attorney in Dallas to ensure that your rights are protected and your recovery is prioritized. Accidents involving 18-wheelers are often catastrophic due to the size and weight of these vehicles. Factors such as driver fatigue, mechanical failures, distracted driving, and adverse weather conditions can contribute to these accidents. Victims of such accidents may suffer from severe injuries, property damage, and emotional trauma. The role of 18-wheeler accident attorneys. 1. Legal expertise. 18-wheeler accident attorneys in Dallas specialize in personal injury and truck accident cases. They have an in-depth understanding of the laws and regulations that apply to commercial trucking, both at the state and federal levels. Their expertise is essential in navigating the complex legal landscape. 2. Investigation and evidence gathering. Establishing liability in 18-wheeler accidents can be challenging. Attorneys have the resources to conduct thorough investigations, which may include gathering evidence from accident scenes, examining truck maintenance records, and obtaining statements from witnesses. 3. Determining liability. Determining liability in 18-wheeler accidents can be